Is the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S worth it? The Eufy RoboVac 11S is a robot vacuum that strikes a nice balance between budget and performance. It has a long runtime and solid cleaning performance, but lacks fancier bells and whistles like app control or digital mapping. Pros: comes with 5 different cleaning modes. Excellent cleaning performance on all floor types. Easy to control via remote control or smartphone. Cons: running on max mode has a significantly shorter runtime. Lacks digital mapping for advanced navigation. No compatible apps for smartphone-based controls. The Eufy 11S robot from Eufy features 3 suction power levels. Standard, Max, BoostIQ. The RoboVac's BoostIQ feature will drive stronger suction power to the vacuum automatically when it senses the need for it. This usually occurs on medium, high-pile carpets or more serious messes. Power: though the Eufy RoboVac 11S features up to 1,300 pascals of suction power, it's surprisingly quiet at 55 decibels, which, according to the manufacturer, is no louder than an operating microwave. Our performance testing of the Eufy RoboVac 11s yielded positive results from this little robot. Across the board, it averaged 97%, considering performance on hardwoods, low-pile carpet, and high-pile carpet. Apart from sheer cleaning performance, runtime is another aspect to consider in this evaluation. In our tests, we ran the 11s on max mode to generate results based on max performance. When cleaning easier floors like hardwoods and low-pile carpet, you'd likely be able to get away with a lower suction mode. In those cases, opting for a less powerful suction can translate to a longer runtime. Is the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S a good value? If you're looking for a solid robot vacuum with good runtime, especially on hard surfaces, and don't need app-based controls, the Eufy 11s is an excellent option.